Hello everyone, and in this video we'll talk about one altcoin that became the leader in terms of price growth for June 2024. Come with me and I will explain how Toncoin became almost a unique coin that rose greatly in price in June and brought investors more than 20% profit. 20% not bad at all, so I think already understand that the next 10 minutes are going to be important. For here you will find the answer to the question, why did Toncoin rise in price even when other coins could not? So be sure to watch this video to the end. We will look at all the reasons for Ton's success and try to guess what fate awaits it next. By the way, please feel free to write in the comments for how long do you think Toncoin will continue to please its holders and what are your price expectations for it by the end of 2024. June 2024 is over, and for crypto investors, the month turned out to be quite challenging with Bitcoin dropping by 7% and Ethereum by 8 and 7%. Overall, not many cryptocurrencies showed positive dynamics. Was there at least one coin in the green? Yes, among the most well-known coins, the number one in June was undoubtedly Toncoin. It gained over 20% during the month, setting new all-time highs along the way. What were the catalysts for such developments? Even on a bearish market, Toncoin was rising. Let's try to investigate. Before we start, please write in the comments what other altcoins you think have a potential to increase in price in the near future, especially if we suppose that the market will continue to fall. Okay, let's go back to Toncoin's success. Why did it happen? Firstly, we have explosive growth in the TVL, total value locked metric. In 30 days, it increased by 2.13 times from $328 million to $700 million. So this indicates a significant rise in user interest in Toncoin. Secondly, the introduction of Telegram stars at the beginning of the month. This is a currency that can be used within applications. The main purpose of Telegram stars is to purchase digital goods through bots. These stars can be bought in the App Store and Google Store as well as through a premium bot. According to the developers, in the future, Telegram stars can be converted into Toncoin through Fragment platform. The introduction of this new feature was driven by requirements set by Apple and Google for all developers distributing their apps in their stores. Thirdly, there is high interest in Toncoin from market whales. In just the last week of June, they acquired over 45 million Ton tokens worth $346.5 million according to the analytical platform Sentiment. Therefore, it can not only explain the current rise, but it also gives reason to expect the growth to continue in the future. But let's save that point for later. Fourthly, there is hamster combat phenomena. You have probably heard of this hyped clicker game that has definitely boosted interest in cryptocurrency among users. It emerged after another popular coin, Not, from the Notcoin clicker. The latter, by the way, operates on the Ton blockchain. Hamster combat is an evolution of the clicker concept and a larger gamification experience. By playing as a hamster, the owner of an exchange, you click to earn in-game currency. Developers assure that users will receive hamster tokens for their gaming activity, which may lead to the future airdrops and listings. As of the beginning of July, the number of active users in this game exceeded 240 million worldwide, with a daily growth of around 4 to 5 million users. The project gained even more interest when Telegram's owner Pavel Durov stated, "A new wave of mini apps on Telegram is coming, and Hamster Combat is now leading the pack." The game's success has clearly impacted Toncoin. Users have noticed that they can already link their Ton wallet in the airdrop task section. Like if you also gave Hamster Combat a try, or if you know someone who actively plays it. Fifthly, the deployment of the game on Telegram, TapSwap, in the open network, Ton. It is quite similar to Hamster Combat based on the idea of tapping a gold coin to earn in-game currency. In the future, you will be able to spend your earnings on further development within the game. Sixthly, trading in Toncoin is gradually being allowed in different regions around the world. For example, it is now officially permitted on regulated exchanges in Kazakhstan. This decision was made by Astana Financial Services Authority. Thus, Toncoin became the 107th cryptocurrency allowed for trading in Kazakhstan. Seventhly, in mid-June, Toncoin became one of the two most mentioned coins on social media alongside Tether. Eighthly, we have an increase in the number of active addresses. Ninthly, Binance integrated Tether USDT on Ton network. Since June, users of the trading platform can deposit and withdraw funds on the open network. This integration will result in faster transactions and lower fees for Binance users. For Toncoin, the deployment of USDT expands its customer base and enhances Ton's visibility. Tenthly, the volume of USDT circulating on the Notcoin network exceeded $500 million. Write in the comments what, in your opinion, influenced the increase in the value of the coin the most. Thus, there were plenty of reasons for Ton's growth in June, but where did it all lead to? Toncoin has risen to the 8th position in market capitalization among all cryptocurrency. It managed to surpass well-established in top 10 coins like Cardano and Dogecoin. Toncoin's market capitalization is approaching $20 billion. Can the coin aim even higher in the near future? From a market sentiment and fundamental perspective, we're getting somewhat mixed signals. On one hand, the project is evolving alongside the Telegram, attracting more and more users. On the other hand, global inflation remains to be a restraining factor. When it comes to technical analysis, the situation perhaps looks even more interesting. Toncoin has grown significantly, more than 11 times from the lows of June 2022 and more than 8.5 times from the lows of 2023. However, the growth wasn't strictly linear, as evidenced by a 40% correction in April 2024. The current situation is moderately positive, both in long-term and short-term perspective. In favor of this speaks the fact that the price has surpassed both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. There is talk of Toncoin's possible jump to $10. However, to make this a reality, it first needs to overcome the resistance level of $8.288. If it fails to hold above the support level of $6.3, a drop to $4.6 is quite likely. But to be clear, it is worth noting that these considerations are more relevant for medium-term investors. The catalyst for further growth should primarily be the increase in active addresses, the integration of USDT, and the continued expansion of clicker games on the Ton blockchain, which indirectly create a strong promotional campaign for the coin and Ton blockchain. The prospects overall look quite good. However, considering the ongoing correction in the crypto market, it's essential to also rely on technical analysis when forming a trading position. Disclaimer: all of this does not constitute an individual investment advice. Michael was with you in this video, and stay tuned. Do not forget to like, push the notification button, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.